Hi, this is Rakesh Rani watching Royal Technology. In this video, we'll show you how to fix fingerprint sensor if it is not working on your laptop. In this case, I have a HP laptop. Maybe you have a different laptop, so you can follow these steps also. So what you have to do, click on a start menu, then open settings. Once open, check for windows update right hand side, so it will check all the windows available update. If it is showing okay, if not, scroll down and click on advanced, then under optional updates we'll see few more drivers are showing. So in my case, this biometric fingerprint driver is also pending, so I'm downloading that also. If it is not showing, go to the laptop website and search your laptop with the serial number and download that particular driver, biometric driver, and install it with the admin credential. You should be admin whenever you will run that setup file. So as you can see, it is installing quickly, so we have to wait some time. Once done, then we have to reboot the machine. So it is done. Now I am restarting. It is installing all the drivers. Now quickly I'm logging in. Then once done, we have to set up the fingerprint. Before that, let's check if is there any pending update is there or not. So as you can see, it is not showing any pending updates. That means all the drivers are installed. So quickly now we need to set up the fingerprint sensor. So under accounts, you will see the fingerprint sensor option. Scroll down and click on this option, and you will set up it. So quickly I'll set up it. Just click on it and click on setup. Okay, so quickly set up it from here. I'll not take much time. If you have any doubt, comment below. So after setting up the fingerprint, you have to enter 10 digit pin. It should be number only, and then I will lock the laptop and check that whether it is working or not. So let's place the finger on the sensor and check. Okay, so it is working. So issue is resolved. If you have any doubt, comment below, and if you're facing any issue, make sure you comment. If you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.